Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the GTA Chinatown Wars game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search button, and now you can type in GTA Chinatown Wars and begin your search. Once you find the game, just tap on it, and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait for a while for the installation to complete, and once it is done, you will see the play button, which you can tap on to open up the application on your device. And now you can start enjoying the Grand Theft Auto Chinatown Wars game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.